Hey everybody, it's Ryan. If you're looking to get a tattoo on yourself, a temporary tattoo, this video is for you. So this company reached out to me and said, hey Ryan, we have this tattoo printer. Very, very cool. Can you tell us what you think? But in no way whatsoever will this being provided to me affect this review because I'm just here to keep it real. So I would say this is going to serve a couple different purposes. One, as a very fun project for maybe little ones or anybody that's looking to do a temporary tattoo and be able to design your own on, let's just say, a computer or on a phone using the built-in app. Very, very cool and convenient. What all you get is this very small, it's about 12, 13 inches long, comes with a power cord, comes with an adapter that connects via USB-C to a computer, and it also connects via Bluetooth to a phone or Bluetooth to a computer. It also, as noted, has the light on because this is also has a self-contained battery in it that is chargeable. So it can be charged and then taken to, let's just say, a function where you're doing arts and crafts and want to do something cool for the kids, or if you're, let's just say, a tattoo artist and you need to create, let's just say, a template to eventually do your final work, you can definitely do this. What also you get is 10 of these. They're roughly 8.5 by 11 sheets. This is the transfer paper. So from a sizing standpoint, you can kind of wrap your mind around, okay, what size, how big of a tattoo like this can print out. Very easy to use. You download the app either on your phone or you can download the Chrome extension. This works with Windows. This works with iPhone products. The apps are all in the Play Store. You connect it, and then you get to choose your design. You can either pull designs offline, you can work your own design and upload it. Very, very cool. In this example, pulled a design offline and printed a whole bunch of little bitty designs. Just kind of give an example of how this thing works. You use the app in this example, you hit print, it prints it through onto the transfer paper, and then you have what is now a temporary tattoo. Very, very cool. The tattoo transfers with a very little moisture. So going back and forth and learning how to do this the first time, not a lot of moisture is needed to get a good, nice transfer as shown. So if you're looking for a portable wired or Bluetooth or app use, I would say tattoo printer. Hopefully this answers any and all questions you might have of this very cool piece of technology, and we'll talk to you soon.